How to add freeze frame effect on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now click on new project if you want to upload a new video, or choose from your drafts. Like me, I have already this video, so I'm gonna click on it. Now all what you have to do is go down, click on edit and swipe right until you find the style option. Click on style and swipe right until you find freeze frame. Here click on it, and now all what you have to do is just wait a few seconds and until it starts generating. It's not gonna take 1 minute. Okay, let's just wait. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's see the result after a few seconds. Now as you can see, we are in the 50%, and I hope the result gonna be good. And yeah, let's wait. Now it's 80%. Okay guys, as you can see, we are almost there, and let's see the result together.